Unlock your brain's true potential. In the next few minutes, you'll learn simple, science-backed tricks to boost your memory, focus, and thinking. These techniques are easy to incorporate into your daily life and can lead to remarkable improvements in your cognitive abilities. First, let's engage your senses with the 5 things memory game. This powerful exercise anchors you in the present moment and significantly sharpens your working memory. Wherever you are, take a moment to pause and observe your surroundings. Start by identifying 5 distinct things you can see. Notice their colors, shapes, and textures. Next, shift your attention to 4 things you can physically feel, perhaps the texture of your clothing or the smooth surface of your desk. Then, listen for 3 different sounds in your environment. After that, identify 2 separate scents, even if they are faint. Finally, focus on 1 thing you can taste, like the lingering flavor of your morning coffee. This simple practice of grounding yourself enhances sensory awareness and strengthens neural pathways associated with memory. Next, challenge your logic and reasoning centers with daily puzzles. It's time to reframe activities like crosswords or Sudoku. These aren't just idle pastimes. They are powerful workouts for your brain that enhance problem-solving skills and, in the case of word puzzles, expand your vocabulary. Dedicate just a few minutes each day to one of these challenges. The act of systematically searching for solutions, recognizing patterns, and applying logic strengthens your cognitive flexibility. Think of it as taking your brain to the gym, where each completed puzzle is a rep that builds mental muscle and resilience. If you're struggling with maintaining focus throughout the day, try the Pomodoro technique. This time management method is designed to combat mental fatigue and keep your concentration levels consistently high. The process is straightforward. Set a timer and work in a focused 25-minute interval on a single task without distractions. When the timer goes off, take a short 5-minute break to stretch, get some water, or look away from your screen. This cycle of intense work followed by a brief rest prevents burnout. After completing 4 of these Pomodoro cycles, reward yourself with a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Finally, boost your brain's performance with coordinated movement. Engaging in activities that combine physical effort with coordination, such as dancing, juggling, or even learning a new sport, has profound benefits for your mind. These movements increase blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain, which is essential for healthy cognitive function. More importantly, they promote neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form and reorganize synaptic connections, especially in response to learning or new experiences. It's a dual-benefit exercise for your body and your mind, creating a stronger, more adaptable brain. These are more than just tricks. They are habits for a healthier, sharper mind. The key to success is consistency. Start with just one of these hacks, the one that feels most achievable for you, and practice it daily. Over time, you'll begin to notice the difference it makes in your clarity, memory, and overall mental performance. Your brain will thank you for the investment. Which hack will you try first?